Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your account and network basics so the fix targets the real cause. Check that your account has party/chat permissions and no family restrictions. These often block voice features. Once done, test NAT type and connection speed because strict NAT or poor upload will limit party function. Make sure to sign out, then fully power cycle modem, router, and your console or PC to clear temporary state before moving to configuration steps. Now you change network and device settings to allow party traffic through. Enable UPnP or forward, the platform's UDP/TCP ports on your router so voice packets aren't blocked. This fixes many limited party issues. Assign a static IP or DHCP reservation to keep port mapping stable. Once done, disable VPNs and check for double NAT or strict firewall rules because these often interfere. If required, toggle settings, then retest to confirm the party conform. You finish by updating and isolating the problem so you can restore party functionality reliably. Update console/PC, party app, and headset firmware, then test with a wired Ethernet connection and try a different account or device to isolate variables. Reinstall the party app if corruption is suspected. If things still fail, capture any error codes and perform a router factory reset as a last resort. This often clears hidden misconfigurations. Make sure to note settings before resetting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.